It's a 2003 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. AM/FM stereo radio, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the console, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive proclaims the E-Class sedan is a big, roomy car that is solid, safe, practical, comfortable, luxurious, and fast. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.